how to remove a debtor or create a bad debt against a debtor that's not going to pay you. We jump into the debtor itself and we now have 7,500 we need to pay over. So I'm going to do a new transaction and a credit note. Because I've gone from there, it's going to give me a credit note against Andre himself. Make sure I'm happy with the date, and product and service, I'm going to create a brand new one called bad debt. I'm going to go service, bad debt 1, and then my income account, and this is the important one, you need to create a expense called bad debt. Put it against bad debt, pick the appropriate tax, and I would always include it as inclusive of tax. Once you've done that, you put your product and service. Again, let's make sure we've got inclusive of tax. I would always add an attachment. Making it inclusive means it's going to work out the VAT for you. Save and close. And finally, just go against the invoice that you are now having to write off. Press receive payment. It'll automatically find that credit note. Save and close. There, we've written off a bad debt.